Today, we're exploring Trinity Square, the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and everything you need for your student life in Nottingham. Your room at Trinity Square is designed for simplicity and coziness, providing everything you need to settle in and focus on your studies. Cook up a storm in the spacious kitchen, fully equipped for all your culinary creations. After a busy day, unwind in your clean, compact bathroom, perfect for student living. Trinity Square also offers fantastic common areas where you can relax with friends over a game of pool, catch a movie in the cinema room, or grab a late-night snack from the vending machines. Plus, with 24/7 security, CCTV, and electronic key fob entry, you'll feel safe and secure. Located just 2 minutes from NTU and right in the city center, you're never far from the cafes, shops, and everything you need. Plus, buses run every 7 minutes to the University of Nottingham. Trinity Square has it all. No deposit required, flexible payment options, and everything right at your doorstep. Book now with UniAcco and make Trinity Square your perfect home away from home.